Homarus americanus, also known as the American lobster, live at the ocean's bottom. They can be found in muddy and sandy areas but prefer rocky bottoms because they have more hiding places. Because crabs are members of the largest group of marine arthropods, the subphylum Crustacea, which also includes lobster, shrimp, and krill, a shrimp-like crustacean, crabs and lobsters share some important characteristics, as demonstrated in our previous video. We will now start with the external structure. Starting with the claws, the smaller one, the pincher claw's purpose is to tear food apart. The larger one, with a rounded surface, is ideal for smashing shellfish. Flipping it around, we can see that it's a male. The female genital pores are on the third leg while the males are on the fifth leg. The telson, along with uropods, forms the tail fan in lobsters. This is a paddle used in the charadoid escape reaction, in which an agitated animal darts backward by flexing its tail quickly. In our dissection we will divide the lobster into its abdomen and its cephalothorax. Near the tail, we see the anus where waste products are excreted through. The antenna is the tactile organ of the lobster that helps the lobster to maintain its balance, and the antennule is used for identifying, differentiating, and locating odors or chemical stimuli. A lobster's mandible, which acts as a jaw-like structure to help it crush and swallow its food, works in tandem with its maxillipeds to bring food into the mouth opening. These are pereiopods, which are primarily used for walking. To dissect the lobster, we started by cutting the connecting joints in the middle which, once done, reveals the intestine. For the cephalothorax, we cut towards its head then to the side to open it. Once opened we can see its many organs. It has a large robust heart that circulates blood through 7 widely spaced arteries. Further inside is its stomach, which has a gastric mill or a set of grinding teeth located in the foregut which is capable of pulverizing food. Moving deeper, the nerve ring or its brain can be seen surrounded by the antennal gland. The antennal gland removes toxic waste products produced by protein metabolism and tissue breakdowns. The hepatopancreas is an important organ for nutrition uptake and storage as well as the production of digestive enzymes for food digestion. Onto the abdomen, the ventral nerve cord is located here and helps integrate sensory input and locomotor output. And lastly, the hindgut is also found here. It is the primary site of water conservation via reabsorption. That is all for the Homarus americanus dissection.